Hello. Uh, so in this demo, I will show how my hotel sentiment agent, that's what I call, can be used by travelers and hotel managers or different people who look for hotels. Uh, so when they does that, they they have challenge of different scattered reviews across multiple platforms and different uh, sentiments and those things. So this agent that I have designed basically does what it does is it pulls those reviews. So basically for demonstration purpose I use only Google Places API for this case, and it analyze for particular given place like city, the it will extract number of hotels user entered and their reviews, and within it will provide sentiment analysis and recommendation based on that. For this we have used ChatGPT as well. So here what I have shown is my flow basically before going into code, so I can explain the code first, flow of the workflow of the program first. So the entry will be past API. So everything here starts when user hits a review endpoint, so it can be either program or through directive web interface, and so instantly it will returns job ID and mark the job as processing. And then it comes to we have a background task. In this background task the agent calls Google Places to get top hotels based on what user input place. Each reviews run through pinned hugged face sentiment model uh, that is used to analyze whether the review is whether positive or not. Then we have aggregate per hotel, percentage the positive and negative reviews, average confidence, and top compliment categories. Using keywords matching, I feed those metrics to ChatGPT 3.5 API and give a concise summary highlighting shared improvement areas that can be done and what, like giving a brief overview of the idea of the hotels in the area. So like that, user can have a conversation with my AI agent for given area. Uh, then finally we have mm, uh, so we finally stored in the structured data and present it to user. And then if you go the code that I have done here, so basically I will go through key codes first, and we have here Google client, which actually does is extract the Google reviews from using the API. Then we have a login configuration that put various logs related to this application. For example, this application log like this. Then we have OpenAI client that used to connect to OpenAI and pass the that accumulated reviews and get idea of overview of the that. Then we have requirement text that specify various libraries that we have used for this application. Then we have sentiment service, which actually does is it will get the reviews and through various attributes. So basically here I put it into 5 attributes, that is cleanliness, service, noise, food and comfort. If someone want to extend it for more, they can also extend it that way. And in these categories it will provide sentiment service. So it is for this whole program it provide the sentiment provide as service that can be utilized. Then we have here we have main, which actually drives the program, all the Google IP key and the past API. Then we have actually this hotel CI. Actually, this I used to drive the program to demonstrate. So here actually I have already ran the web service, and it is invoked by this hotel CLI that if let me run it. Okay, I first, and I'm going to write OK. So here, once the application is start, we can put any city or any area and number of hotels that can be analyzed. So once the user input that, what will happen is it will invoke the F service and it will go through this flow that I specified previously, and each step. So here, since we specify 5 hotels, it will go through 5 hotels, comes first, and provide a summary for us. Let's wait a bit. Okay, so if you want, I will run it once again. So user, as long as user need, user can put like that. Let's put Shimla. Okay, so you can see the job, what job ID that I explained previously, and it is running. So once it is completed, we will see. Okay, so in the previous case, we have a number of hotels and their positive, negative ratings, average confidence, and their what do you call common complaints in that categories that we is shown previously, and it provide also overall summary of the hotels and like noise level very high in some hotels like that. So it provide basically overview. Now this is more clearer picture. We have Shimla. If you take here, it provide what is the common complaints of each hotel compared to others like that. And then we have, okay, this shows as good hotel, and then we can have overall summary of each hotel. So like that, user can without going through every place and doing manual work, users can chat with this agent and get idea of hotel hospitality quality in area. So this actually now currently limited to Google, and if it can be extended to other platforms as well by utilizing their APIs. So that's it, and thank you.